This program uses a servo motor and a light sensor to create an interactive experience. The servo motor is a type of motor that can rotate to specific angles. The light sensor measures the amount of light in its environment. The program starts by including the servo library, which allows us to control the servo motor. Several variables are defined to specify the pins for the light sensor and servo motor, as well as the starting and ending positions of the servo motor. In the setup function, serial communication is started and the servo motor is attached to its pin. The pin mode of the light sensor is set to input, which tells the Arduino that we want to read data from this pin. In the loop function, the servo motor is moved to its initial position using the write method. The value from the light sensor is read using analog read and stored in a variable. An infinite while loop is entered, where the servo motor is moved based on the value read from the light sensor. If the value is less than or equal to 201, the servo motor is moved to its ending position. If the value is greater than 201, a for loop is entered where the servo motor is moved to different positions. This simple program uses a servo motor and light sensor to create an interactive experience.